In the name of Allah, the most merciful and the most beneficent. Hello everyone, welcome to Mathematics Basic to Advanced level. In this lecture, I will solve SPSC 2014 MCQs, that is a group of order 150 cannot have a subgroup of this order. Solution, that is Lagrange theorem. If G is a finite group and H is a subgroup of G, then the order of H divides the order of G. So the order of subgroup must divide the order of the group 150. So 5 divide 150 30 times, 1 divide 150 times, 2 divide 150 75 times, 8 does not divide 150. So option A is correct, which is the required solution. If you like my lecture, then please subscribe, share, like and press bell icon for latest update on my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching my YouTube lecture. Okay, Allah Hafiz.